What's up guys, Ryan here, Flyfish Iowa. Got a new package today from EP Flies. They sell flies, but they also sell fly tying materials. Great for the saltwater, but also some great stuff for the freshwater. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Something that EP is known for is all its brushes. So I've got a variety of brushes that I picked up. This one's called Woolly Critter, Sparkle, Senyo's Chromatic, Bunny Longhair, another Woolly Critter. Look at those rubber legs. And Crustaceous. This one's really thick. They also sell Gamakatsu hooks, so that is definitely my favorite go-to streamer hook. Trying to go away from lead this year, so I got some lead-free wire. Still has the California lead warning on it though, so I'm not quite sure. Also gonna try out some rattles. So be sure to check them out, epflies.com. Thanks for watching Tight Lines, hope to see you on the water. Now to organize this mess of a table I've got.